Hey, this is Mark with MDF Painting. If you're wondering why you should hire MDF Painting, it really comes down to one word: maintenance. As a professional painting contractor, I don't just see my job as painting your house once and moving on. I believe it's my obligation, my duty, to help maintain your home so you don't have to think about it, stress about it, or chase contractors around. In fact, I measure the quality of our service based on one thing: how well are we helping you maintain your home over time? That's exactly why we created our lifetime customer care program. We're there for you in the winter, handling interior painting and touch-ups. We're there to hang your holiday lights so you don't have to deal with the hassle. In the spring, we wash your home, prep your deck, apply a fresh coat of stain so it always looks its best. In the summer, we take care of carpentry, replacing rotted wood, repainting, and keeping everything sealed, caulked, and weather tight. And in the fall, we clean your gutters out, treat your roof, and make sure your home is protected going into the colder months. So why hire MDF Painting? Well, it's really simple. Because the experience is better, because the communication is clear, because the work is done right the first time, and most importantly, because you're not just hiring a painter, you're gaining a long-term partner to help maintain your home year after year after year. If that sounds like what you're looking for, reach out to us today. We'd love to take care of you. Thank you. And I appreciate the opportunity to earn your business.